Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and hunt for the market for today. Guys, before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let's us discuss SIDU, the number gainer for today that jumped beautifully before the market opened. We already did the short update early on our Discord. We discussed three of them, AZI and SIDU. It was the second, broke the 150 and now hitting the second profit taking as we speak. AZI didn't break yet. CMCT didn't break yet. We got Lunar still trying to reverse. DJT is up, but it's pulling back. Rocket Lab is doing all right as well after 40% jump in the last few days. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, wherever you are. Let's get right to it. Buenos dias, Clifton. Yeah, everybody waiting for the reversal for cannabis stock. Thank you for the reminder. Yes, we should watch TLRY and cannabis stock for reversal because they dipped big time. And the major news that we got last week. Yeah, especially CGC. It did the huge jump down. So I might put them on the short today here. They look all right. But yeah, the main event for today, guys, is IDU jumping almost 70% now. Santush, yes, let us have a great Christmas week. Let's see if Santa bring present for us. We don't want a gaming console or clothes. We need Good markets. This is what we ask for from Santa. But so far, so good, because if we see APLD and B and the rest of the stock are in a huge green, especially B. The other stock on our list, guys, is AZI. Is still currently looking great in this channel. Might give us another jump, 65%. SIDU 65%. We don't have 100% stock for today. This might change at the market open. CGC and TLRY are neutral in the pre-market, guys. Those stocks, cannabis stock, they were top stocks last week and the beginning of this month. Yeah, we need a good market, man, at the end of this year. We got only 2 weeks, man, before the end of this year. Oh, brother, I hear you. You chose SIDU, then AZI. Make sure the next time never choose one, choose both and diversify. So instead of buying 5K in one stock, put 2,500 or 2,500 for each. And one of them go up, you're gonna be in green at least. So don't bet on one stock because both of them were great technically, and one of them was better than the other because AZI broke or SIDU broke before AZI because we already did the short for even CMCT. But the only one that did great is SIDU because it hit our resistance, broke it, and went toward the 160 and 178. This update, guys, we did it on our Discord early on before the market open, of course. We always do update daily. The best entry always early on our Discord. The link in the comment section below. I just put it down. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. We got the last week. Don't forget, last week before Christmas and last 2 weeks before the end of this year. We might have a drastic volatility change in the markets. So we have to be extremely careful. Candle stock, guys, are neutral, but might reverse. But it's kind of risky because we dipped from Thursday, we dipped 30%, and Friday, we dipped 12%. But in total, we dipped in 37%. So if we dipped more, we should watch for the 133 for CGC and the $10.34 for TLRY. Those the two levels that we should see a bit of volatility. TLRY pulled back in total 26%. Yeah. Beyond Meat currently doing all right, but we need this time break. We should break the 130 this time, or yeah, 133. 133 in order to squeeze everybody. SIDU looking fantastic for a breakout again. Watch out, guys. SIDU looking great. Else we got? YCBD at 148 support could move on. Can the stock hype? Interesting. YCBD, I will check it out. My brother Santush YCBD. SIDU guys testing the $2 resistance. YCBD. Watch out, SIDU is the number one. YCBD, yes, is still down, man. Is near the bottom 140. But this IDU breaking out, guys, is going toward the $2.33. So technically, SIDU hit all our profit taking that we discussed early on our Discord before our live streaming, guys. Hit all our profit taking. So the best entry was around the 150 2 hours ago. $2.50, because if you enter $2.50 right now, you're up 30% already. AZI didn't break our resistance. Lunar, nothing. SMX, nothing. DJT pulling back. TLRY. So the only one, guys, the only stock that doing fantastic is SIDU. The main gainer going toward the $2.33. The main seller place right now is the $2.33. We have to be extremely careful about this level, because it's back to pullback after that. Pullback is coming, because most stocks are pulling back now. MU doing all right, guys. Going to all-time high, maybe 300. We may hit the 300 before the end of this year. CCL, the same, have a huge earnings. Did nice after the earnings. Technically, we're up 10%. Yeah, we need a little pullback. Today we might have undecision, because right now pre-market is in green. We might have a red day at the market open, so I will be extremely careful. I will be extremely careful. AVGO could be good to watch, guys, because we might have a nice green day for AVGO for today. Watching AVGO closely. APLD looking fantastic, 4% for today. B 4%. Palantir, Plug, Unity. AMD, there's someone buying AMD, guys. There is some buying pressure came for AMD. 6% last Friday, now 3%. AMD, yeah, AMD looking great. AMD achieved the record of 4.3 billion in Q3. 22% year-over-year raise driven by MI 300 sales and early MI 400 adoption. Hallelujah. So AMD could be a good candidate for reversal here from this bottom because lately from mid of November until mid of December, I think, or the end of November, yes, we pulled back almost 25%. So the one that I will watch at the market open, AMD, of course, APLD, B, and AVGO. Those the swing trade that might be candidate for today. Look at that. ABLD did a really good reversal. Welcome everybody, welcome. So let's see. DVLT and I think we discussed DVLT. Let's see again if we discuss it. Yeah, DVLT 20% for today, but I don't like the technical that much. I will wait for another pullback, maybe around the 60 if we pull back. But now there is a huge seller around 140, yes. So it's a bit risky play for DVLT, but good reversal from the 90 cent. Beyond Meat is becoming a good day trade though. They have like 15-20% increase a day for the last week. Interesting. Yeah, but a bit dangerous because it didn't break the resistance, it didn't correct from the bearish channel yet. Thank you, Karina, for let us know about the total 28% or 124 shares total. Lipton, Hope, and CGC to reverse. Yeah, because pulled back almost 40%. Good morning, Ash. CMCT making a move. Lazar, CMCT. CMCT, I put it on the other list. Yes, is making a move, I think. Let's see. Not yet below the $5. We need to break the $5, 39%, but it didn't break the $5. Current support now confirmed around the 419. If we broke the 419 would be bad for today. Current resistance, I will lower it around the 466. Profit taken is around the 5.5. Yeah, it still didn't kind of have a breakout from this flag. Yeah, not bad, man. We got Lazar. 5 minute, guys. Make sure to hit the like button on the way in. Lazar, 53% last Friday, 174. So correcting down. This one is a bit volatile. Be careful, guys. It needs to hold the 26 in order to break the 29 and go up again toward the 33. But it is too risky. Last 19th of December squeezed, yeah, from the few cents until almost the 68 cent. And flushed down after that. So it's heavily diluted now. It's heavily shorted for Lazar. Yeah, still SIDU is the main event for today. I'm gonna put first support for it over the 175 if we want to squeeze up for today. Next up, we got SIDU holding the current support tightly, the 350. SMX 6% up, 12% last week. Currently okay. DJT is pulling back a little bit. Guys, ABLD, there's someone buying ABLD. This is unusual. 6% in the pre-market, man. B, the same. Yeah, there's someone buying before the market open. And I think this is could be a trap, a pull trap. We have it before. I don't trust this jump in the pre-market, man. I don't trust it. I don't trust it one bit. I don't trust this reversal up yet. Yeah, 6%, 7%, and still jumping. You know, usually when the market do this kind of reaction, jumping in pre-market, usually the the shorting the stocks at the market open. So we'll be extremely careful buying at the market open because we might have a pullback. QBTS, maybe I will check QBTS. Maybe, yeah, QBTS. QBTS. It will be a maybe, yes. Nope. Yeah, QBTS is a maybe if it held the 26. Need to break the 29 though. Yo, 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 yo. APLD, man, is moving drastically. Have a huge resistance for today around the 31. We might flush again. So I will watch for a dip for today around the 26. We might go on the red side. B, on the other hand, still in the green as well. I have warning sign for them. Let's go, everybody. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Remember, we always go live every day to discuss the market. Every day. So hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, we always do update on our Discord first. And then we do our live streaming here on YouTube. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget. Let's see if Santa will bring some present to the market because the market might have a drastic change for today. We might have a huge green for the market for today. Let's go. A few minutes and the market will open. Let's see if APGO will give us a humongous jump for today. B is pulling, APLD is pulling back down a bit, CGC is pulling back down, B is jumping, AVGO, AMD, AVGO is pulling back, APLD is pulling back as well. Let's see if APLD, as we said, guys, we might have a flush for APLD for today. He's testing the gap. AZI nothing. SID still holding. Let's see APLD if continued to fill the gap. Interesting. APLD is putting back. Let's see the other stock, Beyond Meat, Rocket Lab. B is still holding. AVGO is flushing. AMD is flushing. APLD is going down as well. As we discussed it, guys, we might have a huge flush for the market for today. Watching for a pullback for APLD. We might have a reversal at any moment for APLD here. Let's see the market. Unity in green, Mar in green, AMA, Tesla in a huge green. Plug the same, Palantir in a huge green. Yeah, Palantir doing all right here. SIDO, guys, is still holding the gains. $2.33 should be the level that we should go to. APLD, we might go on the red side if we fill the gap. A watch for the 27 reversal. Would be great if we have 4% or 13% here. SIDO, the best entry, brother, we already discussed it early on here. The best entry was on our pre-market alert watch list that we always do every day, brother, around the 150. We should already exit it at the market open because we already hit most our profit taking. The link in comment section below, guys, if you don't want to miss the best entry. Now SIDU is pulling back like the most of the market, pulling back right now because it's hit all our profit taking around the $2. $2.33 is the major seller. Now we pull back toward the 175. APLD is pulling back. AVGO is pulling that back. Yeah, AVGO might put alert for it just in case if we have a breakout. B, it might be good to watch B on the pullback. Let's see if APLD reverse. AMD the same, no reversal yet. DJT not ready yet for a reversal. TLRY the same. Lunar is about to break the 15. So Lunar looking fantastic a bit. Open doing all right. It's going toward the 688. Yeah, Lunar is about to break here. SID is still holding, guys, over the 175. If we broke the 175, it mean time for a pullback. Lunar is about to break the 1543. AMD is still pulling back. B is still holding the gains, but is almost testing the resistance. ABLD is kind of consolidating sideways right now. I think we got a bit of sellers here. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Lunar is about to break. HYMC 33%, but light on volume. FGJET, nothing much. FLGC, nothing much. Nothing much here. Let's see, ABLD is trying to break here, guys. ABLD trying to break a major level of resistance. Wow, we're still testing for this breakout, but didn't. AMD currently pulling back. Watching AMD for a reversal. It did a really good job in Friday, do 7%. Lunar didn't break. Is it SIDU? We have a nice jump test at the market open, now still pulling back. APLD, as we discussed, guys, it's kind of pull trap. We got pull trap for APLD. Good afternoon, John. APLD, well, as we said, is pull trap, is pulling back. No green day for GCC yet, yes. Thank you, Martin, for liking the live streaming. Don't forget to share our live streaming as well, brother. Thank you for the support. For the unicorn, make sure to come early, brother. SIDU was really early entry yesterday on our watch list. The best entry was around the 150 2 hours ago, brother. The best entry was always on our Discord early before the live streaming. So now this one hit the $2, now it's pulling back. So SIDU, we have support 175 and 140, resistant already hit. After that, we got AZI support 340, 470 is the resistant. We might flush toward the 280. Lunar is about to break the 1540 toward 17. So this is it. APLD is still struggling. We have a little resistant around the 2850. If we don't break it, we might have a pullback toward the 2680. It was 6% early on in the pre-market. So currently I'm keeping it on the list. If we have unusual buyer. AVGO still going back down. Oracle. We have a bit of shift in the market. Palantir, on the other hand, doing fantastic here. Yeah, Palantir did 1% here. Plug, Unity pulling back, Mara pulling back, AMD pulling back. Tesla doing fantastic. Almost hitting the 500, guys. Tesla hitting the all-time high for today or this year. Yeah, Palantir is recovering big time, guys. Who would have thought that Palantir from November crash reversed 30% now? 34% in 1 month, man. Huge. This is a huge reversal. Yes, sir. And now it broke a major level of resistance. Yeah, Palantir looking crazy. I think it's gonna go to all-time high before the end of this year. If everything went good, of course, because everything could go south at any moment. Watch out, everybody. Palantir is squeezing up like no tomorrow. We need a little jump toward the 201. Maybe will be the level that we should aiming for. Wow, APLD trying to for a reversal here. Lunar, AZI, SIDU, APLD trying for a reversal. SIDU nothing much, AZI nothing much. Lunar is pulling back, AMD guys is pulling back, B trying to reverse, and APLD trying to break here. Beyond Meat surviving the shorts. We'll see. CGC crashed. Yeah, Beyond Meat trying. CGC, yeah, it's still not crashed yet because we have the $1.33. $1.33, it is the current level of resistance that we should break. HXHX. Okay, this one looking great, guys. Holy baloney. Nobody told me about this one. I think it's halted up now. Yeah, X, H, X, H, X, H, X, H, X. Yeah, Lunar is a bit slow. APLD trying to reverse here. Plug, nothing much. B, APLD. We have a huge reversal here. Palantir still trying to go up. Miss IDO, we have a reversal a little bit. Let us see the halted stock for today. We got FJET, MANS. Yeah, we got a lot, but they're not that good technically. AZI, HYMC. XHHX. This one, brother, is a bit dangerous because it got halted. And plus, there's a main seller just below the $1, so I don't trust it for now. I don't trust buying this one right now. Yeah, it's too risky. It's too risky right now. Yeah, 96, we have a huge seller. and the support is a bit far. But I kept it here because it's really volatile. Better than AZI because it's pulling back. Come on, Palantir. We need the buyers for Palantir right now. Come on, where's the bulls? Where's the bulls? Wow, Tesla, man, Tesla, Tesla. Anyway, FJET, as we said, it is too risky to play now. Yeah, it's pulling back. Hit a huge seller around the 1030. Mans is again the same, pretty volatile. We have a huge buyer getting near the same seller as well toward the 518. So we might get shorted for this one. ABLD, we have a nice reversal, a really good reversal. CGC is coming back. Someone says CGC is coming back. Getting near the support, so maybe will come back soon. Let's see your questions. QBTS, QBTS, we already discussed it early, man. Make sure to come early next time, man. QBTS, we already discussed it before the market open. Not just QBTS, but SIDU, which was a really great entry early on our Discord around the 150. So you always have to be ready for entry. Like QBTS was great, yeah, near the 27. Now it broke the resistance and it's going to the second resistance right now. So QBTS looking all right around the 32.44. 32.44 for QBTS, 11% right now and still going up. So watch out for QBTS, everybody. Looking fantastic. If it held the 27, keeping it on the waiting list. Lunar is about to break, DJT the same, CGC is down, Rocket Lab still going up, UNF nope, TLRY the same, weak. We got a huge day today, guys, for the market. Huge day. Watch out. We still have a nice day for today. We'll see if we're gonna have a reversal for those stocks. We're gonna do another update, of course, on our Discord, everybody. Ambition. We're gonna reply on your question, do short analysis update for the stocks that we discussed today. Because today we might have a really good early Christmas present for the market. BAPLD, Palantir, it might reverse at any moment, watch out. Unity doing all right, reversing. Mara the same, AMD, Tesla doing a huge jump. Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a major update later on for the market and our Discord and Bitcoin. In meantime, wait for this update. Tomorrow we're gonna do another update for our hunters and our Discord and Bitcoin and our YouTube, of course. 30 minutes before the market open. Make sure to come early in pre-market because the best entry always in the pre-market. Or the best entry, of course, is 2 hours or even 3 hours before the market open for the preparation for the hunt. See you all back by tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching.